What is going on? It's Jill Trader. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn about crypto, NFTs, DeFi, Metaverse, and all those kind of stuff, futures trading, spot trading, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. So what is happening with the overall crypto today? We have seen Bitcoin pumping, Ethereum pumping. We have seen a lot of the altcoin pump in a crazy way. In our VIP, we have RLC, we have waves, we had a lot of trades and we had a lot of charts today, so I'm gonna share it with you, some of the result and the next possible trade setups. All right. Whew. What a very tiring day. I still have TON in the crypto bubble, negative 2.6%. We have LDO at 1.4%. We have cheese or CHZ, and I have some news about CHZ, why it's pumping. I will share it with you if time will allow today. We have also Atom, we have EGLD and Gala trying to grow their bubbles here. We have LTC slightly growing the bubble. All right. Fear and greed index. We are seeing the price pump. This will update in the next 5 hours. And let me pull up my YouTube chat here. So this will update in the next 5 hours and 46 minutes. Yesterday we are in the fear level, and right now we are in the extreme fear. Watch out, guys. If you have read the title of this video, incoming drop for ADA. To the ADA holders, Cardano holders, watch out. I'm gonna share with you one news today. So if you're holding ADA, you need to prepare and think, what's the next plan? DOT go to $1. $1. Let's check if it's possible. So right now we are in the extreme fear level, and liquidations. We have long and short position right now. Majority are shorting the market, almost in the 5-minute time frame. Mostly are in shorts. Majority are in shorts. In Kraken, 98% are in shorts. Let's check the amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours. In the past 4 hours, 83% of shorts got wrecked at around $28.39 million. Wiped out in the past 4 hours. In the past 24 hours, we have 67.43% short position liquidated, and the total amount is around $69.67 million wiped out. And let's proceed with the Cardano news. We have, let me welcome our viewers today. We have a new destination, always first. I should give you a reward. I should give you a... what do you need? You need a Chill Traders cap. Let me know your location. We have here Mark Bryan Stana. Good day to you, sir. We have Andres Jaworski. Welcome to the stream, brother. We have Jabber Maboob. Welcome to the live stream. We have Getting Started. Hit that like and subscribe. We have Boy Muta. Polkadot go to $1. Let's check if it's possible. And if you have been following me on this channel, I am holding a lot of Polkadot for long term. So let's check what will be the possible price target and possible buy zone for Polkadot if time will allow. So I have my charts ready here. I have DXY update. I have S&P 500, BTC, Ethereum, and I'm going to show you some of the trade setups. And if we still have time, I'm going to check some of the chart requests. All right. So moving on to the news. Cardano, who called 2022 crypto collapse, issue Cardano or ADA alert. Here's his price target. A popular analyst with solid track record of predicting market retracement is issuing warning about two of the top crypto assets. The pseudonymous trader Capo, Crypto Capo, first alert his 485,000 Twitter followers that scalable blockchain platform Cardano or ADA could be in for a major price drop over the next few weeks. Few weeks, guys, few weeks. So let's check if his analysis is actually correct or if he has a point. In the chart mapping out ADA price fluctuation dating back to May, Capo or Crypto Capo focuses on an ascending wedge pattern. Ascending wedge pattern is a bearish pattern similar to what we have seen in Ethereum chart. If you have been following the channel, I have shorted Ethereum on top of the wedge at $2017. Alright, so ascending wedge pattern starting with a rally which began in the late July. The altcoin nearly captured 0.6 level on August 16 before market-wide woes caused the token to lose nearly 25% last week. The analyst also maps out a series of peaks and valleys, which he believes will ultimately see Cardano falling to 0.28 to 0.3 range. I will check Cardano and let's compare it with my analysis if his price target is in confluence with our analysis. All right, so here's his chart, guys. So he have fourth wave here, bigger wave, and the target for the fifth wave is 0.28 up to 0.3 cents for Cardano. And inside this impulse wave to the downside, this is the fourth wave, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is XYZ 335 correction, ABC WXY. So this is 1, 2, 3 inside the wave 335 until the next impulse wave or the fifth wave target. So based on his chart, we might expect a possible price bounce to around this neckline here. So later I'm gonna open the chart of Cardano and we'll compare it here, and I'm gonna plot some of the resistances and possible bounce back target, because we can ride those small waves using leverage. It's already a big gains if you're using leverage, guys. So let's move on. This is the Cardano chart. At the time of writing, Cardano is up slightly and trading for 0.46. A drop to 0.29 would mean an additional 37% capitulation for ADA. Moving on to BTC. So let's proceed, guys. Our main concern here is ADA's chart, which is, and here's another chart. The target is 16,000, and there is a bounce here up to 23,000, 22,500. I have my own chart, so let's proceed with the with my own analysis. All right. So here are some of the VIP trades today. So we have Waves call, Waves VIP call. If you fail to plan, your plan is to fail. Do you believe in that? Get access to Discord by heading to Patreon, guys, if you want to support the channel, or if you want to support me, you can move on, or you can visit Patreon and you can support the channel by getting a membership in our Patreon. So here is the wave short today. So I have shared my short position here at 0%, and here's the update, guys, for waves. 33%. Waves have reached 46.51, taking 50% of the profit here. What's the update actually with waves? I closed my waves already. So I think I've closed my position at 80% something, or 90%. I'm not sure if I've shared the update, but here's the last update on Twitter. I'm gonna share later on the here's the VIP group. Where is waves update? Here's the waves update, guys. So we'll come back later because Discord is a little bit slow. Let's move on to the next trade. RLC VIP call today. If you fail to plan, your plan is to fail. All right, so here's the trade, guys, or here's the warning before the breakout. RLC, watch out for possible rejection or breakout from the resistance trend line. And here's another update. Breaking out, you see this chart here, breaking out from the resistance trend line. This is about to break out. And here's the update. I have entered my trade at 38%. I've shared my card at $1.343. Went to 50% using 50x leverage. Went to 73%, closing 60% here. Stop loss back to entry. And 83%, 120%. Closing, moon closing here, 143%. And here's the chart update. So for waves, yeah. So I have closed my trade at 92% for waves. Here's the VIP call, and here's the previous announcement thread here. Also, here's the update for the RLC chart. So here's the trade in the VIP. Watch out for the possible rejection or breakout from the resistance trend line. So breaking out here, this is about to break out. I have entered a position at 1.343. Exactly here, breaking out, and here's the update, and the rest is history. This went to the moon, up to $1.57 dollar. So that's for RLC. We have actually a lot of charts here. We have also TRB update here up to 321%. And latest update for TRB is long position near the 200 EMA. So I don't know what's the update. Let me check the chart. What happened to TRB? Just very quick, guys. I just want to know the update for that TRB trade here. If the 200-day moving average or the 200-day moving average in the 2-hour time frame have hold. So this is still hovering, guys. But the update here a while ago is we might get a bounce. So we actually got the bounce here, and right now again retesting the support. If you're going to zoom out this one, I have my previous short position here, monthly resistance, and short position here at stop loss at around 47.2. So this now 200 exponential moving average is acting as a support for TRB. So we might get a small bounce up to 42, back to 42, or to this $40.92 dollar, and then we'll eventually retest this support. So let's check if we still have time. I'm gonna update this chart and gonna share it in the VIP. So DXY or US dollar, moving on to US dollar currency index. So here, yesterday, as discussed in the previous stream, I was expecting a, again, if US dollar index drop, we might see Bitcoin pump. But if this continues to hold, this yellow line support continues to hold and pump back up, this is a bearish pattern in the long term, and possible rejection on top here, $113 price target for the top of the rising broadening wedge. So rejection from this support, we might see Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin pump. But if this will hold and US dollar currency index continues to pump, we might see a correction from Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoins. So this is one of the indicator that I'm looking at when I'm trading cryptocurrency. And the next is the S&P 500. In the previous stream, I have discussed that S&P 500 might be rejected from this resistance trend line and in confluence with the horizontal resistance here. And we have seen a rejection. And based on the previous price action, if you have seen, I have shared this on Twitter. Let me show it to you. If you are not following me on Twitter, all the links is on the description down below, guys. If you want updates, real-time updates. So this was the previous chart. So I was expecting a retest of support. Fibonacci retracement level at 38.2 or $4038 is the key level support, which is this level here, 4082, 4083 level. This green line, key level support, and this is a bullish pattern, guys, bullish pattern. So if this will hold, we might see S&P 500 and the rest of the traditional market follow S&P 500, and this could break out to the upside. The targets are this resistance, blue line, 4321, up to $4470 here, two resistances. And if this fails to hold, this key level support, if this fails to hold, the next possible price target will be this one here, and the previous low. Local bottom here, the local bottom. So that's around 336, and if this is going to happen, we might see major correction not only in the traditional stocks but also in crypto, which moves faster than the rest of the market. All right, so let's move on to Bitcoin and what should we expect in the coming days. So for Bitcoin, guys, as what I've discussed in the previous stream, in yesterday's stream, this will be our playing field, this blue rectangle area. And if you are in the VIP, last night we are actually discussing about possible short entry here. So my short entry point for Bitcoin last night, while discussing with the VIPs, was at 21,900. So here, let me jump into the previous. Here, one more. Here. So last night or yesterday morning, midnight. It's 12 a.m. yesterday. Today rather, early morning. Okay, so I will keep my short BTC until 19,700. So here he's asking me where to short. So I have my limit order at $21,900, and that is a perfect short position. Today, Bitcoin have hit 21,900. Let me show you the chart. So we are actually discussing the possible targets even before it happened, guys. Let me show you the lower time frame. Bitcoin yesterday was hovering at around $21,100, and here the top, exactly 21,900 Bitcoin was rejected, and this price action was already discussed in the VIP. So right now, let me close one of my position. It's still small percentage. So here, this price action was already discussed in the VIP. Let me show you. We have 29 watching, only 7 likes. Much. Hit that like and subscribe, guys. Support the channel. If you're enjoying content like this, please support the channel. Congratulations to the VIPs have entered RCL, Waves, Bitcoin Short, and TRB. What else do we have? We have a lot of trades today. Here, let me show you if you're just watching the details closely. So last night, short position at 21,900. Let's check. That's 1.31%. If you're using 100x leverage, that's already 130%. Small move, guys, small move. But from here last night, I have a long position, and today this move was also discussed. I don't know if I can share it here, but before we proceed, let me give you a quick disclaimer. The information provided on this channel is based on my personal opinion and for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the channel's content as such. I do not recommend any cryptocurrency should be bought, sold, or held by you. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision. All right. So going back to Bitcoin, guys, here's the next price target in the daily time frame. Let's go back to the daily time frame. As discussed yesterday, our playing field will be this blue rectangle here, and Bitcoin already, as what I've discussed, if you want a safer entry, enter short near the top of this rectangle and long near the bottom or near the support. And right now Bitcoin is on the process of retesting in the 1 hour time frame. Bitcoin breakout. Let me check if I have other chart here so I can show you clearly. So Bitcoin broke out from this red resistance trend line, and I think right now Bitcoin is on the process of retesting this as a support. If this continues to hold, we might see a possible price action of similar to this green line. Possible pump. This now 200-day EMA is acting as a resistance for Bitcoin. So you see, price has been rejected near this EMA, and right now it's on the process of retesting this as a support. So if this continues to hold, we might see Bitcoin revisit this next resistance at $22,600. Next possible price action will be this green line here. Pump, rejection from this white line or near the 200-day EMA, retest of support. Right now Bitcoin is retesting this red line as a support, and next price action we might see possible bounce back up to 22,600 for Bitcoin. So the next playing field for Bitcoin will be from this blue line. The bottom blue line will be the support, $21,100 up to $22,600. So if you want to enter long position, you can enter near this breakout and retest the support at 21,600, or you can wait. If Bitcoin is going to break this, you can enter long position near this previous support here, the blue line. All right, safer entry will be the blue line, but if you think that this will hold 21,600 level, this could be a good long position here. So we have seen Bitcoin pump, retest of support. Right now, this is on the process of retesting the previous resistance into a support. All right, so that's for Bitcoin. Our playing field in the coming days will be from 21,100 up to 22,600 in the coming days, right? So that's for Bitcoin, guys. Let's move on to Ethereum. Let me check first if we have some chart request. Let me check if our like actually increased. Rashad is watching the stream right now. Like, it's 25 likes. 25 likes, so means this may be I'm only seeing 15 likes on my end. Why is that? All right, 28 watching right now. So Ethereum, guys, Ethereum, let's move on to Ethereum. I have my short entry at $20,17 here, exactly on the tip candle wick. I have my short position, and I've closed my position today. I've closed my short position today from the top. From now on, I am going to use smaller leverage, isolated position, and I'm gonna share. I'm planning on a one good trade, because if you have been following this channel, I think we are near the bottom, and I want to ride the waves. We have 1 year from bottom. We're going to pump for 1 year, and we are going to see a sharp drop. From that sharp drop, that will be the start of the rally onto the next bull run. But we have right now the gap, like 1 year span from, if my analysis is correct, I'm gonna share this right now. So if my analysis is correct, last quarter of 2022, we might see the bottom for Bitcoin and the rest of the altcoin. And we have 1 year to slowly pump back up. And at one point, we are going to see a sharp drop. Similar price action from the previous years. So I'm planning to use smaller leverage with a good margin. I'm going to ride the waves, slowly increase the position. I'm going to share it on Twitter. And let's see some of the comments, because crypto Twitter is fun actually nowadays. I am receiving a lot of comments and feedbacks. Some are really funny. Some are very good feedback. So thanks for following the channel and following me on Twitter. If you're going to zoom this out, actually this is forming like a bear flag here. Is this a bear flag? Is that a bear flag? If this is a bear flag, let me check the lower time frame. So Ethereum in the daily time frame got rejected from this blue resistance line. How many percent is this? 1.28%. Rejected from 1688. I think I have shared a short position from 1688 in the VIP. Let me search for the 1688 number. I remember this number, and I think I've shared it in the VIP. What will be the stop loss target and limit if we want to short entry at 1688? You see, I have remembered this number exactly. 1608 and 1688 resistance. Meaning that we can set limit order 1688 short to 1590, correct? This is only quick trade. All right, so yeah, so I have discussed this in the VIP. 1688 short entry. This will be the key level support here. The previous 1664. So very small move, but accurate, right? So let's check the lower time frame if this is actually forming a bear flag. Oh, I have actually two patterns. I have seen one pattern here. Let me share it with you. This was the previous Ethereum chart that was shared on Twitter and in the VIP. So possible long breakout, retest of support. Here exactly, we got this body of the candle in the 4-hour time frame. Long position rejected from this resistance line here. This white line serves as a resistance, another resistance here at 1721. So this will be the key level that we need to watch out. 1666 area. If this continues to hold, we might see Ethereum pump until this level here. And let me show you one more chart. Very interesting chart here. So here, another trade that was shared earlier in the VIP. So this looks like a breakout from the cup and handle pattern, and right now it's retesting the previous breakout point, or the Fibonacci retracement level will be at around 38.2 or 1661.6 level. And let's check if this will hold until 1642 area. And if we drop below this yellow Fibonacci retracement level, this could be a possible trend reversal. But right now, this is forming a cup and a breakout. We have a cup, we have handle here. And right now, the ideal target for this cup and handle pattern will be this part of the cup here. So this was, you take this line, you bring it up here, and you will get the possible target of around 1800 level. But usually cup and handle pattern, I have only in my previous experience only 40% or less than 40% this will reach the target. I have only traded twice, if I can remember exactly. The cup and handle pattern have reached the target. So let's check if this could be the third one, or we could see a fake out, then possible drop back down, right? So that's for Ethereum, guys. If you're going to look at this perspective here, this is a very nice cup and handle pattern. But if you're going to check the daily time frame, let me open another chart. We have Dean Hurwitz watching the stream. We have Rashad, and we have TRXZ Play. Good morning, Chill. Good morning to you. Right. So going back to Ethereum. Here, this is the key level support that we need to watch out. This one here. This will hold. Ethereum might continue to pump back up. This got rejected from the 200-day EMA. this red line here, I have 20, 50, 100, and 200 day EMA from all of my charts, and I am showing right now the only one EMA that is very important in the 1 hour and in the daily time frame, which is the 200-day moving average or exponential moving average. Ethereum got rejected here. Right now, Ethereum is on the process of retesting this support or resistance as a support, right? So if this continues to hold, we might see Ethereum pump until $1,800 if you're going to use that cup and handle pattern. And that was actually shared in the VIP here. Even before the breakout, guys, I've shared this chart here. Ethereum looks like a breakout, different perspective. 4 hour time frame, EMA 200 is acting as a resistance. So here, even before it pumped to the upside, I have already forecasted that the 200 EMA will act as a resistance for Ethereum. So here's the update. This got rejected exactly. I have my Fibonacci retracement level here. So I have shared here the Ethereum. So possible price action will be to go down and retest 1650. Possible because it broke out from the resistance, and 200 moving average is acting as resistance right now. So this could be a possible retest of support and continuation of trend to the upside. But watch out for the Fibonacci retracement level. If this drops below the yellow lines or the zones for Fibonacci retracement level, if this drop below 78.6, we might see possible trend reversal. So until retest of support until 1654. This was the neckline of the cup and handle pattern. So that's for Ethereum, guys. So time to check some of the chart requests and before we end the stream. All right, we have Mohammed Nazim Uddin. Welcome to the live stream. I'm gonna give you a cash register and a call and a drum roll and a scratch. So chart request. Let's check ADA. Let's check ADA. Ooh, very nice. Where's the neckline? Is that a neckline? All right. Very nice. Let me give you some suspense sound. What will be the possible price target for ADA? Is Cardano going to drop to 0.3? 0.3 level as per crypto capo forecast. So he is forecasting a wave 5 that was here. This is it the daily time frame? Daily time frame? Can't see. Looks like a daily time frame. But here's the possible price action. Looks like this is forming a cup and handle. Watch out for the possible rejection and breakout. This is right now. This is right now on the verge of breaking out from the neckline. So what you can see, we have a pennant happening here. This is going to explode either to the upside until here. How many percent? 3%. We have our support here. Let me put a long position right now. 1 sec. Let me put a long position. Near this white line, possible, but I'm just gonna put a long position right now. 1 sec. Give me a second. Isolated. Let's just use lower leverage for better look. All right. Where is that? So wish me luck. I haven't checked the chart yet, but looks like I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong. Let me set stop loss. 1 sec. Let me set a stop loss until here, max. Okay, let me just set a lower risk. Let me just lower my risk, guys. I don't want to risk too much. That's too small. Until here. 1%. Oh, that is not 1% from my position. My current position. That's almost 2% from my position. So 0.4569. 0.4569. And my target will be, let's stay conservative. Very conservative. 0.4724. 0.4724. That's my conservative target for ADA. All right, so possible this is forming a cup and handle pattern waiting to break out to the upside, or possible rejection here. But let's see. Possible rejection. We have supports along the way. Oh, if this is cup and handle, this looks like, let me check. Let's 1 sec. Where is the cup? This could be a cup, and this could be the handle right now. This already have done the retest here. Middle line, which is perfect. Middle line, 50% of the cup. Where's the percentage? How do I measure this now? So this is 7%. 50% will be around 4 to 3. This is exactly the 50%. So this could be, this is the neckline, the cup, the handle, and the target. All right, looking very nice. If this is going to work out, so shorter time frame, possible rejection from the neckline, and retest, we have 2 support. Support 1, support 2. All right. So here, so this could play out. If this could play out, let's check some of the, in the 1 hour time frame, this is ready for a correction, but the MACD is still looking very bullish here. The blue line is above the orange line, and this is facing upwards, means that there is still a momentum. But here, this one, is this a But this is very small. Right. So it looks like a cup and handle pattern. Technically, we're going to measure this one. The target will be $0.5 ideally, but we have this 200-day EMA acting as a resistance for ADA resistance. So this will be my my target will be just here, small percentage. This will be my target, guys. My target. I'm a very conservative person, so that's only 2%. But if this will pump until 3.49, that's a bonus. And if this continues to hit the target, ideal target will be 0.5. So let's watch out. This is going to be very exciting. In the 1 hour time frame, the RSI is already in the overbought area, while the MACD is still looking very bullish. So I think that's it for today, guys. Let me check Rune again for new destination before we end the stream. So let me share this in the VIP very quickly. Possible. Oh, where is that? ADA, possible cup and handle pattern. Long near the support. White lines. Right. So that's for ADA. Let's check Rune before we end the stream. How many minutes right now? It's almost 50 minutes. So let me do this very quickly. Where is Rune? Rune. Oh, this is by Bit. This is Binance, all right. Oh, so for Rune, this is already getting rejected from near the 200-day EMA. We have resistance here, but already got rejected. So let's just use the Fibonacci retracement. Possible retracement target. If this continues the trend to the upside, these are your long entry points here. These yellow lines. Alright, no need to put that, I think, because you have already the value here. In the 1 hour time frame, RSI is still looking weak, and we could see a retest until 61.8% or around 2.156. Middle line is always the sweet spot here. 50%, 2.175 is always the sweet spot, but pump like this always reach 90% of the time this 38.2, which is around 2.194 area, and possible Fibonacci extension level will start here, this line. So possible target already reach the 100% target exactly here. The next target will be this area, which is in confluence with the resistance here. That's so perfect. Resistance, super perfect. So resistance. Next possible targets here are the resistances, but right now Fibonacci retracement level and long entry point near this yellow lines, and possible rejection, guys, possible rejection if, or possible trend reversal if this continues to drop below $78.6 or 78.6% or $2.12129. So let me share this as well in the VIP. Rune chart update as per the latest stream. All right, guys, so if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe for the YouTube algorithm. Also hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my important crypto and trade updates. Trade safely, protect your asset at all times, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.